The 10 Best Label Makers. Whether you have lots of unidentified stuff in storage or you're looking to take your home or office organizational systems to the next level, a good label maker will be your new best friend. While there are a few analog options still on the market, our cutting-edge selections boast computer compatibility, impressive customization features, fast speeds, and more. The list starts from Epson LW700. The Epson LW700, about $230, allows you to create one-of-a-kind designs in 5 different sizes and with 8 lines of text. It can easily be connected to a Mac, a PC, or a tablet via a USB cable if you prefer not to use its built-in text entry interface. Programmed with over 450 symbols, uses minimal lead margins, but can't handle tapes wider than 1 inch. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Rollo X1036. The Rollo X1036, about $64, is compatible with digital storefront platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Etsy, making it a great choice for someone running an online retail business. It's engineered for a high-volume output despite occupying a footprint smaller than a standard envelope. Works with any thermal roller sheet. Automatically adjusts to feed size, but not capable of a continuous feed. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Jing Chen Portable Printer. The Jing Chen Portable Printer, about $89, connects wirelessly to your mobile devices over Bluetooth. Its battery can last for months on standby, so you won't have to worry about constantly charging it. And because it uses thermal labels, you'll never need to buy ink either. Operates very quickly. Is also NFC compatible, but casing is not very attractive. Well, here is the 7th one. Epson Label Works 400. The Epson Label Works 400, around $180. Can be powered by 6 AA batteries for organizers on the go. But it also comes with an AC adapter so you can run it all day from your desk. It boasts small lead margins to save valuable tape and can store up to 50 of your designs. Nearly endless customization options. Easy to see backlit display. But refill cartridges are pricey. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Brother P Touch PTH110. The Brother P Touch PTH110, APPX, $22, is a handheld model with a large display that allows you to edit and preview your creations before printing them. It's compatible with a variety of tapes and ribbons, including fabric iron-on styles, 14 built-in frame styles, prints 1 or 2 lines of text, but uses large and wasteful lead margins. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Brady BMP21 Plus. The handheld Brady BMP21 Plus, around $85, comes complete with a keyboard and a 4-line LCD to make quick work of mobile organizational tasks. It boasts a rugged, rubberized body that makes it a great choice for industrial work sites, and can print in 6 font sizes. Easy to make on-screen edits. Wide array of tape types available, but keyboard is not a QWERTY layout. Customers are keen, and according to them, one should buy this one. Dyma 450 Twin Turbo. The Dyma 450 Twin Turbo, APPX, $140. Features 2 separate spools and slots to allow for versatility and a high-speed output without changing rolls. It's perfect for printing address and shipping labels simultaneously. But there's lots more it can do if you get creative. USP's approved for shipping. Produces clear and precise text. But uses easy peel split back tape. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Seiko Instruments Smart 620. The Seiko Instruments Smart 620, around $64. Supports major formats for shipping labels, file folders, name tags and more, and allows you to import images to incorporate into your designs. It would make an excellent choice for any boutique retailer. Thermal process requires no ink. Compact desktop design, but 3-year warranty. According to reviews, the second best product is Dymo Label Manager 280. If you're not looking to spend a fortune but you want a reliable way to print single-line stickers anywhere and at any time, then check out the Dymo Label Manager 280. About $31. It's incredibly popular thanks to its ease of use, full keyboard, and straightforward interface, rechargeable batteries, handheld portable model, but remembers frequently used phrases. Now here is our best of best, the king product. Brother PTD 600. Calling the Brother PTD 600 about $100. Powerful would be a bit of an understatement. With the ability to connect to design software in your computer, there are few configurations it can't handle. You'll be able to print everything from high-quality logos to working barcodes. Huge library of templates. Automatic tape cutter. But full-color display.